of selecting ideas for MSME Idea Hackathon 2.0. Welcome to all students who are all going to participate the event and staff. HOD sir will join the meet soon, and some senior staff are also joining for giving some ideas for you for improving your ideas. We have got nearly 25 ideas from second year, third year, and final year students under 15 teams. And the second year coordinators Praveen Kumar and Bhargavi. And for third year, Rishikesh coordinate all the students. And from the final year, Sandana Krishnan and Praveen Kumar. And we will start from second year students. And Bhargavi, please coordinate all the students for presenting their ideas.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. From second year, first the idea will be presented by Krishna Kishore.
Yes, pa. Share your PPT and start presenting your idea, pa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, pa. Is there any difficulty for sharing your screen?
Shiram, are you ready with your PPT? Can you start?
Otherwise, Bhargavi, ask somebody who is ready for with their PPT. Ask them to join the session and present
Yeah,
their
ma'am.
ideas, ma'am.
Kushiram, actually his mic is on, but he couldn't talk.
Okay, ma'am. Who is next?
Saumya, you can.
Yes, Soumya, you can
Uh,
present, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Saumya.
Good morning, everyone. I am Soumya from second year IT department. I'm glad to present my idea to you all who presented here. I have taken in 15 teams. I have taken healthcare system. Now I'm going to explain about my project. My title is Mission Learning based on health prediction system using IBM Cloud. Do you know anyone know about IBM Cloud? Okay. Yeah, here my abstract is about humans are considered to be more intelligent species on Mother Earth. Machine learning based facility develop on the intelligent information so that it can perform better in future using the mission experience. Here are four researchers review. First one is survey as a guideline for researchers who are new to machine learning area and want to contribute to it. Second one is provide state of the art survey of machine learning. Third is ex- uh, application of machine learning techniques in the health prediction. And the last one is provide for future researchers directions required into prediction system using machine learning. Here I will show you. Yeah, this is IBM Cloud process, and here we should import data from cloud and then to the notebook. After notebook, we should build a model, and then we should provide position model. After position model, we should apply evaluation of CMTS, and then we should move to deploy after 10 minutes, and then we can build like this IBM cloud. Yeah, this is about IBM cloud presentation, and I want to tell you about the advantages of this. They can be adapted, extended, and customized to multi-level learning tasks based on the basic machine learning algorithms. Yeah, in this, I want to tell you about the new uniqueness of the innovation. Customized to solve the multi-level learning tasks based on the health prediction system. The potential areas of application in market and industries are hospitals, medical sectors, and multi-taskers based on these medical systems. I hope I can do well. This is my project. Uh, Thank you, one and all, to giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Yes, very good, Soumya. Any questions from student side? If any question, students can ask how to develop this idea. Still more development is there means you are having any other thing, guidelines you can give. And Suparayud sir with us. Good morning, sir. Suparayud sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, if you are having any guidelines for this projects and all, please give your guidelines, sir, for the
Yeah,
students.
sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, Soumya, actually, the market strategy and all, they are going to concentrate for idea MSME. They if they are evaluating in the first stage, the market strategy as well as whether it is going to be a product social relevant like that only, they are going to concentrate. So, if you are going to upload your idea, you concentrate more about this part. Still more points you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
add, okay? And how much
Okay, ma'am.
useful your product for the social relevant for the people, so that points you have to add along with your ideas. Still more you can improve the things and you can upload the things, okay? So after
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
prelims round it will be uploaded with a still more proper way you can upload. And what about the
Okay.
IBM cloud, ma? You are going to
What,
store
ma'am?
the IBM cloud. You are telling about IBM cloud, no?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of information you are going to store in IBM cloud?
Ma'am, like medicines, we are developing, ma'am, to the people. I have
Yes,
showed you that, no, ma'am,
yes.
that one.
Okay, so the medical relevant information you are going to store in IBM Cloud, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Good. Okay, ma. Thank you for sharing your idea with us. Okay, so who is the next person?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, Soumya. Now, Krishna Kishore is ready, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Hello. Hello,
Yes, Krishna Kishore.
ma'am. My topic is park spot, ma'am. Uh, it is to create. We create one place, ma'am. Nowadays in India, so traffic increases because wrong parking, ma'am. Um, roadsides, so many members parked, ma'am. Wrong parking. So many members got fined by traffic police. We so that we implement this park spot app, ma'am. We create a place and we provide a place to park right place, ma'am. In India, our India fourth largest vehicle producer in world, ma'am. So many in metropolitan cities also like this. So many issues came, ma'am, like that parking. It is slide కావట్లా. 1 minute, ma'am. We implement this like business also, ma'am. If how can I say? That's it, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, ma'am. This is for mobile app only, no? You are
Yes,
developing
ma'am.
a mobile app.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your problem statement is clear, but in what way you are giving the solution? What's the solution? So you are going to develop one mobile app. Okay. So in that, what is your innovative idea that you can point out? Some one or two lines you can point out. In what way you are giving the solution? That is very important.
Okay, okay, ma'am. ఎలా చెప్పాలరా పెద్ద సొల్యూషన్ ఎలా చెప్తున్నా we have an idea, ma'am, to reduce that problems, accidents. So I gonna explore my idea as application park spot, ma'am. So we are taking the land for the lease and developing the land, ma'am, for the parking purpose. We build, we will be updating the empty parking slots, ma'am, which is near to the user by asking their location. We are also taking the empty parking places from the nearby apartments. Like that, we provide places, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Okay.
So the empty spots you should find out whether you are using any GPS thing in your mobile
Ah,
application to
ah,
find
yes,
the
ma'am.
location. Yes, you are going to use. So that point also you can add. Okay, so more elaborately if you give the solution, because they are asking 1400 lines, no? Okay, so you have to add
Yes, ma'am.
some more points. And whether
Okay, ma'am.
it is a product, no, final product which is useful for the society means that point also you can add.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
because they are concentrating the social relevant market strategy and all, we have to upload. Okay, so those points you
Okay.
can add along with these already given the solution, no? Already given the solution, you
Yes.
have to add those points.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you, ma. Yes, who is the next person?
Thank you, Krishna Kishore. Next, Vashiram.
Hello.
Yeah, you
Hello.
can.
Good morning, ma'am. And all dear my friends. Today my topic is uh, first I have to mention. Wait a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Good morning, one and all. This is Kushiram from Department of IT, second year. Today my topic is safety transportation system and industries. Here we can use drone delivery system, and also we can use safety precautions to take care about that drone delivery system. First of all, we can build a drone system. The drone consists of more weightlifting in high areas. Here we can see these drones is a primarily used to supply domestic and commercial goods to an area with less connectivity by transportation. Uh, Here we can see in four pictures there is so much traffic is there, like Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kashmir and Mumbai. In these places, the delivery boys are not able to deliver at a single at a perfect time. It can take more time to take travel. But in F drones, it is capable to carry up to weight of 400 kgs. So we can transfer with the help of drones. In emergency cases, they can even carry blood to a hospitals also. In rush hours or peak hours, it is a part of day during the traffic. Generally, we see there is so much traffic in all areas. In that areas, delivery boys are not deliver the things to the customers very perfect timing. Drones are helpful to very less time taking delivery system. In future also, drones are okay. Here we can see one route map. Here red lines are very traffic areas, and here purple box is any. We can assume that it is any that universities or colleges, and yellow color box is houses and hospitals. We can assume here houses is there. They don't have much time to travel because there is a rush areas. So here we can use drones to apply delivery system. Uh, the, Here the problem is how do houses get the necessary items like food or things, and how hospitals get blood from blood bank in correct time for saving life. Here we can see hospitals in yellow color system. Then how we can apply that speed delivery because of drones. Solution for this situation is drones networking system. Here first of all we have to make drone lift up to 100 kgs weightlifting and sending and receiving transmitter, GPS trackers, and charging areas for drones. And also here we have to create one applications to drone controlling system. This is the in right side box there is drone control network is there. In left side box there is a road transport system. Uh, when compared to these two, drone network system is safer. Here applications are there, some healthcare deliveries, food deliveries, ship resupply. These are applications for our drone system. In manufacture of weightlifting drones are we can manufacture that motors, and these are the some manufacture items to make a drone. PCB helps to controlling the drone, and also it can locate to one location to another location. Here we can use powerful motors and propeller, PCB boards, and pathway reference. It is useful to automatic drone system. This is the some types of drone systems which helps to transmit one signal to another signal for drone conversion. Conclusion. While drones are these are the conclusion. Thank you. Hello.
Yes, thank you, Gusiram. Actually, this is very good project. I think safety transport system through drones, you are going to deliver the important things. That means the
Yes,
health
ma'am.
related things you are going to deliver. No,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is one of the innovative idea. Any questions from a student side? Any questions or any guidelines?
Kushiram, are you taking any precautions while operating drones in rainy season?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. We have to take some precautions, sir, because drones are propelators are there now. It is very dangerous to little kids, and also that also we can that problem also we can clarify next time.
Okay, good.
We can use any application for official application for drones, sir. All drone networking systems.
Okay, ma. Good.
Okay, good, Kushiram. And
Thank you.
add some more points related to how relevant this project for social, for people, and how much cost will be there. So you are going to develop say product, no, drones and all.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much cost it will take? Like that, if you give some idea, means that will be useful.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, thank you.
So yes, pa. So who is the next person?
Ma'am, it's me, ma'am. Bhargavi.
Yes, pa.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Um, Today my idea is about agronomy. Agronomy means a science of social management and crop production. It is a digital agriculture. Now agriculture is going in very ground level. It is not at all um, like it is not at all considerable to this technical world. So we just consider it, and we had given some ideas to improve agriculture in a digital way. Agronomy, it is a type of digital agriculture where we can grow crops from starting planting to the harvesting. It is eco-friendly, and it has many processable inputs, and we can give exact output. It is very user-friendly, so that we will not have any problems in that too. Like we will not face any technical issues or uh, For using this, we don't want to study like separately. Um, our motive is we are going to give agriculture in our software IoT devices. It will send users every time it will send notification to their mobile or to their communicable devices to every 2 to 3 hours. Our device is focusing on the following principles: data collection, data handling, analyzing, suggesting, monitoring, and updating. We'll collect the data and handle it. We'll analyze and give some suggestions to that and monitor to them and update them. Our objectives: the real time solution for farming world. We are giving real time solution for the farming world in a digital way to enhance the modern agriculture. Here we will do the idea in a modern way, but we don't want to give steady for that. Farmers don't want to suffer to use it. Like smartphones now, there everyone is using smartphones. They don't study for that. Like that, it is a simple way of modern agriculture to track the accurate information for our convenience. It can also be a reminder for efficient agriculture. If we come across with these ideas, some of the other software members will come across other ideas to motivate. We will be the first. We focus to reach this project to every farmer in every corner of the country. It will be in very low cost. We were focusing it like they need this project with very low cost. They don't want to suffer with this, buying with this. Um, Methodology: we use NodeMCU for the open source IoT platform. It will be low cost. And Raspberry Pi. Um, we were using Aslero motor. It is using for motion sensing. It will vibrations or change in motion or something is happening in the soil, it could find. Like this, we have lots of motors, and we were using everything in a focused way. Work plan: data collection is a vital role because it is a beginning stage. As we need digital agriculture is from when we are going to plant, it is too necessary, and if we are going to harvest, this is also necessary, because nowadays that the period of rain season, it is not raining. The period of summer season, it is not getting a summer. We were getting lots of confusion in weathers. So to know the weather to plant, we will use this project. It will analyze soil type, moisture content, wind speed, altitude, water content, rainfall, weather, and supply nutrition to the crop. In a very low cost, we will see everything in a monitor. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So, what's your project? Soil management and crop production. Okay, so agriculture related project, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your objectives are clear. You have given more than 4 objectives. Actually, for all ideas, 4 objectives should be given minimum. Okay, and I want the methodology. Explain your methodology, because you have some points, but still I am not getting your methodology. You go
Okay,
to your
ma'am.
methodology slide and please explain.
Yeah, ma'am. Our methodology is we are gonna create a machine which monitors our soil type, weather, temperature, and everything, ma'am. In a monitor and a single vision of monitor, we can see everything. Actually, my methodology I had given is what are the elements we are going to use in that, like oscillometer, gyrometer, and aneroid barometer. Here I had left a point, that is we were using Python uh, program to execute our methodology, because Python is easier and very um, time consuming. It will not consume much time, so that we use Python. For user interface, I am using Kiwi. For data collection and process, we are using Pandas. And for artificial intelligence, we are using TensorFlow and NumPy, SciPy. For Arduino compiler, we are using uh, Arduino Uno board for compiling input from the sensor. Here, we use these devices for giving a single answer.
Yes, ma. So you are using many instrument sensors for developing this project, no? Okay, so actually good idea. And for this, how much cost will be taken for buying this sensor and developing this project? You are using Python. Along with that, you have some sensors, no? Okay, so how much cost will be taken? That point you have to add. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Any questions from student side or any guidelines?
Ma, dear students, once again, please
Yes, sir.
repeat that in what way your idea is going to help the farmers, ma.
Sir, actually, farmers will not, were confused with the crops ideas. In ancient days, there will be like clear in which crops to be found in which soil. But nowadays, the soil is like, it is affected, or it is less in nutrients, sir. We were focusing to in give some ideas about the soil and the weather, what they will for that they will could easily crop it. Now, mm, at the May, they think that it will not rain, so that they will crop something, it will rain. And if that soil, they'll crop a soil, next with that, they'll crop another thing which should be in less nutrient content. It should grow in less nutrient content, but already the soil is in less content, so that they can find this machine for knowing that how much nutrient content in that and what crops is to be done. And they'll have clear idea not to be confused and crop, and they'll get spoiled of that, and they'll suffer.
Yes, ma. Are you taking support of Department of Agriculture because they are doing? They are very close to the farmers. They will give suggestions to them manually.
Yes, sir, we will.
Are you taking any support from them?
Just
Or
now we had an ideology, sir. If we have implementation, sure we will take them, sir.
okay, ma. Good, ma. Good. Proceed.
Yes, ma. Good, very good idea. And who is the next person for presenting?
Second years we had completed now.
Yes, second year is completed. Okay, so we will start third year students presentation. Rishikesh, please coordinate for third years, ma.
Harini, can you present?
Yes, Harini.
Yes, I will start now. Ah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, ma. Go ahead.
Yes, Kamachi, ma'am. Good morning. Kamachi, ma'am.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So students are presenting their idea, ma'am. If you are having any guidelines, please give your guidelines, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Harini, your mic is muted, I think. Harini?
Now it is audible.
Yeah, it is audible.
Uh, Sorry for the interruption. And myself, Arini SK from IT third year department, and my team is e-vehicle. And I'm going to my project is about e-vehicle monitoring system. And in my presentation, I'm going to talk about concept, flowchart, uniqueness, and area of application. And it's like mother monitoring the child's behavior and health. And nowadays, e-vehicle it causes so many problems like sudden burning and unwanted interruption. And my project is helpful in intimating before the problem occurred, and the battery management life, etc. And it is the flowchart of e-vehicle model. It has user and administration end, and it has a center e-vehicle. User end as one-way communication between a e-vehicle, whereas administration has a both the end more than communication with an e-vehicle, and administration as in a main authority to make changes and interrupt if any errors occur or if any threats occur in a e-vehicle. And uniqueness, it is used to check the battery life, and it is used to track a traveling history and how much speed traveled, and if a vehicle has been lost, and it is used to track all these informations. And if it is any alert messages or if it any problem occurred, it is used to sense. And it also used to store any documentation information about an e-vehicle, if any type of uh, places we need it. And it is also used to record an electricity consumed. And the area of application is e-bike and e-cars, and then a tracking system, that is cyber security threats, and it is used for safety and smart driving. Thank you, ma'am.
In first slide, you said some constraints. Please repeat it once again. What are the constraints under check?
Uniqueness, sir.
My
It's just an agenda, sir, what I'm going to present in a PPT. And my concept is it's like a mother monitoring the child's behavior and health. We know that the e-vehicle sudden burning problem and sudden vehicle has been lost, and it has been increasing problems, sir. So it is in a way of solving those problems and reducing the threats in e-vehicle. It is basically in an IoT device, sir.
okay, ma. Good.
IoT concept. And it is also used to reduce the threat and threat also theft of the vehicles.
Okay, ma.
Yes, ma. So your project is a e-vehicle monitoring system. Comes
Yes,
under
ma'am.
smart vehicle. Yes. And your problem statement objectives that and all good. But in what way you are giving your innovation? I
It's
think
like
some of the ideas already available. Along with that, your innovation that I want.
Ma'am, e-vehicle monitoring system has been its idea has been presented, but now its application it is not used, ma'am. In 2 to 3 years or in upcoming years, e-vehicle will be mostly used. So my innovative uniqueness it is we can also have documentation of our e-vehicle copy, ma'am. Copy in our app application, ma'am. If it is difficult to every time carry our policy informations, and if it is any need of a sudden checking, so we can also use it in this way, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. And along with your uniqueness, you should add some marketing strategy and how much cost will be taken for developing this application. Those points also you can add for uploading process.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, yes, ma. Who is the next person? Rishikesh?
Yes, ma'am. Prem Kumar is ready.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Prem Kumar.
Uh, okay. Wait. All of can see my screen.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Prem Kumar from Study IT. My topic is organic composing, and theme is organic farming. The problem statement. The problem statements of organic farming. So farmers needs to deal with many problems, including the crop climates, conditions, and soil erosions, biodiversity loss, etc., and changing expectations to meet the demands of food.
Please, PPT is not visible, ma.
Oh, oh, sorry, sir. Wait.
Now, okay.
So you can see my screen.
Yes, ma. Yes.
My topic is organic composting, and my theme is organic farming. We can talk about the problem statements and what farmers needs to deal with the many problems, including the crop climate condition change, soil erosion, biodiversity loss, and the third party secondary consumers meet the rising demands to food higher qualities. People is also affected by eating inorganic foods and junk foods. So we can change into organic foods to monitor the systems. The prospects ideas. Um, the basic idea of organic agriculture provides to optimal nutrient positions and minimum dangerous ingredients. The 100% is that we can create an apps to monitor the organic farmings and create demand for healthy food marketing. When they create a demand means we get more people from customers, and we can sell the food directly without a secondary consumer, and people will get also good price. The objects of organic farming and applications are increasing mobility activities. It enhances plant diseases suppressants, and increase soil facilities, and improve structures of clay soil, and improve soil retentions and soil oil. Reduce our bioavailability of heavy metals, and it also does not affect the human health, and good for peoples. Market potentials, organism. Organic reduced emissions of building resistance, organic reduced greenhouse gas, GST, food grains, agriculture. So most of the fossil fuels are imported. Building climate resistance will promote healthy soils. So we can all of us switch into organic farming, and we can take care of our environment and biodiversity. Therefore, environment benefits of organic farming coupled the benefits increasing the demands of organic farming, driving the market of organic farming. So thank you.
Yes, Prem Kumar. Yes, Prem Kumar.
So thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, you. What's your title actually?
Organic farms.
Organic farms. Okay, so it comes under the theme organic compositing, no?
Yes, ma'am. Under the
Yes.
theme of organic
So
compost.
okay, okay. So give some detailed title for your theme. Okay, so
Okay,
the
okay,
theme is organic composting. Under that, you are going to develop some organic farming, no? So give
yes,
some
ma'am.
detailed title, okay, for your idea.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, ma. So any other questions from student side, sir, ma'am?
Hello, Prem.
Uh,
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Hello, Prem.
எஸ்
Yes,
மேம்
ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Vadani,
Hello,
ma'am.
Prem.
Good morning, Vadani, ma'am.
You mentioned that. Good morning, madam. Prem, you mentioned you are going to do things in organic farming, right?
எஸ் மேம். ஹலோ, கேன் யூ ஹியர் மீ மேம்? ஹலோ.
Okay. Hello.
எஸ் மேம். சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
You want to give some specific things. By this way, I am going to do. I am going to do. My clear thing you want to give, ma.
ஓகே மேம்.
You are saying general things. Okay.
ஓகே ஓகே மேம்.
You want to specify the things, but the specific things சொல்லணும்.
ஓகே மேம். நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஐ வில்
Okay,
டு
ma.
தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க் யூ மேம்.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Kamachi, ma'am.
எஸ் மேம்.
Prem, you're telling that you're creating any organic product in the form of farming or already available organic product you're going to be used.
Yeah, any organic comics will be used, ma'am.
No,
You're
no, no.
going to
I'm
sales
asking.
to
Actually, organic product will be there, right? Yes.
yes ma'am.
You tell me that clear view what you're going to do in your project.
Ma'am, most of the farmers are give to products to secondary consumers, and the secondary consumers increasing the price to the sales to the consumers, and we get more price from these products, and people farmers also get low price. The secondary consumers will get more profit.
Yeah.
We will get a we will create a demand for products to connect to the peoples. We can sell peoples clearly to the peoples, and we will get the good profit for peoples and farmers also. The secondary consumers is removed from this problem.
You're going to be act as a secondary consumer or
Secondary consumer, ma'am.
you're going to act as a secondary consumer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Prem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is already existing because now DMart and all they're approaching directly with the farmer itself.
Yes, sir. Farmer itself எல்லா இடத்துலயும் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது இல்லை சார்.
Now big organizations, no, DMart and all, they're directly connecting with the farmers, not third party. Just to verify it.
Okay, sir.
Idea is good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Prem Kumar. Still, you can improve your idea. What are the suggestions given by ma'am and sir? Just improve your idea, okay? And
okay,
your idea is good. Under agriculture sector, we can implement. Yes,
okay.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Parn. Who is the next person?
Myself.
Yes, ma'am.
My screen is visible now. Okay, my topic is all about universal chargers and converters for e-vehicles. So this command has the theme of e-vehicle. So let me go with the problem statement now. Actually now e-vehicles are gaining more. E-vehicles are mostly used by everyone in the society, and in the future e-vehicles will be mostly used by everyone in the society. So nowadays there are some problems in e-vehicles, and most problem in e-vehicles is about the charging one. So there are so many companies in India as well as in the world. So each of the companies uses different types of charging ports. So for example, uh, while we are going to some other place, means we cannot assure that the same charging stations or charging ports will be there on that state or that country. So this is a problem statement, and we have proposed an idea that we are going to make a universal charging port for all the e-vehicles. Like our phone is having two charging ports like USB-C type like that. So we are going to make all the e-vehicles as a same charging port, so that wherever we go we can able to make use of the charging port. We doesn't need to imagine that you are in a hurry, you have missed your charger of the e-vehicles, you doesn't need to worry. You can make use of your friends e-vehicle charger ports like that. And some of the companies will not accept with these ideas like making a universal charging ports. So what we are going to do is we are going to make it converters like we are using now, right? HDMI to VGA port converters like that. We are going to use the use of a universal charging port converters with each of the e-vehicles. And and we are planning to make that swapping stations. So while going in a hurry, you cannot wait there for charging the vehicles on the station continuously. So instead of waiting there, we can swap their batteries there, and we can pay certain money for that, and we can continue our journey. So this is the idea, and by implementing these ideas, we can save the times, and the batteries will be portable there, and this swapping station will be more effective. So as I said earlier, e-vehicles are growing day by day, so it will be having a more market potential for this idea. Thank you.
Yes, Rishikesh. Rishikesh.
Ma'am?
Yes, you go to your objectives.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what's your objectives?
Uh, Instead of waiting there in the station for charging the e-vehicles, we can swap their batteries and we can continue our journey, ma'am. So it will be saves time. So it makes that batteries are portable, ma'am. In some e-vehicles, the batteries are fixed state. We cannot able to swap that, ma'am. So it makes it portable. And these are applications of that, ma'am. So charging ports and swapping stations will be application of these ideas, ma'am.
Yes. So, you are telling in the universal port will be created, no? Actually, where it will be created?
Yes, ma'am.
Universal port.
Like we need to talk for all these companies, ma'am. So if they all are accepted with this means, for every Android phones they are using the two ports, ma'am, USB-C type and some another one port. So like that we can make a common port for all these e-vehicles, ma'am.
Okay, it should be a common. Whether it is practical,
Yes, ma'am.
we can able to implement
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
this
ma'am.
idea. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, but some companies cannot be accepted with these ideas, ma'am. So that only we have making use of these converters, ma'am. So we
Oh,
can fix a
converters.
universal port and we convert this and we can charge this, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Any other questions from students, staff side? Any questions? Yes, Rishikesh, you can give
Yes,
your
ma'am.
market strategy and how much cost it will take, like that. Some more points you can add. Okay, when you are going to upload.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Rishikesh,
Yes.
Thank you.
small.
Sir?
Rishikesh,
Yes,
then
sir.
whether if you added a solar,
Yes, sir.
whether it is if you take addition of this characteristic, adding solar power,
Yeah, okay, sir.
see that whether it is built-in solar. If you take for e-vehicle,
Ah,
yeah, you are saying that chargeable battery is also okay. Then in addition to that, you can take a part of solar energy also.
yes, sir, sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, whether third year students all are completed?
Yes, ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Yes, completed. Yes, final from final year, Praveen Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Yes, now you are ready, Amma, for presenting.
Hello.
Yes, you
Are
start
you?
your presentation.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Can you visible to see the PPT, ma'am? Hello.
No, ma. Please share your PPT.
Oh, wait, ma'am.
Your PPT is not visible.
Now it is visible, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Good morning to one and all gathered here, and one and all presented staff and students. Our title is about battery management system. Battery management system is a part of a vehicle which can be accessed without using of any petrols or diesels to assemble the battery cells and electrical organizing in a row of a matrix configuration, ma'am, which can be a voltage, current, and duration of time against. For basic battery management system is a time management system which with the vehicles of using petrols and diesels, ma'am. Our proposed ideas are e-batteries are consist of thousands of cells which can be grouped in a module, which are connected so there as a one battery, where the battery e-management system has a second life for the e-vehicles for controlling non-pollution activities as well as the petrol diesel waste when compared to the other countries. Objectives of our battery management system. The main objective of battery management system is a faster and it is a go green system as well as lower cost. The consumer and business consumers of evaluating technology advance. The charging of our energy management system is the vehicles themselves. In the grouping of e-industry planting films, what are the objectives that we are going to tell us in our battery management system? In our battery management system project, we are going to take the battery as well as the powered management system in many different poles as well as different activities area when controlled to ours. In battery management system, the vehicles can be go through where eco-friendly as well as in a low cost. These are the potential area of application. When the smart battery marketing are segmented on the basic types of lead acids and lithium and carbon, lithium ion and ion polymeric alkaline others. In terms of applications of smart batteries, it has been segmented across the following: consumer electronics, healthcare issues based on the customers as well as the drivers who have been founded in that. These are the market track strategy which has been presented when upcoming years. When compared to 2018, 76 percentage of 76.76 percentage have been used as a normal vehicle in sorry that battery vehicle. In 81.21 percentage of 2022 they used some motor vehicles, and 83.23 percentage using battery management, and nowadays it can be upgraded in 88.9 percent. In future the most of the vehicles are branded in a battery management system to control the avoid pollution as well as the petrol diesel rate. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, pa.
I'm audible to you, ma'am. this is
Yes,
a
ma.
this is my project, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So it is battery management system comes under a smart vehicle.
Yes, ma'am. Smart vehicle, ma'am. That means
Yes.
when a vehicle contains a single battery, ma'am, and our project it can be contains in two vehicles. If one battery is low, it is in low also, we can charge in another battery, ma'am, to use a ride or anything, ma'am. And we can automatically the battery consume it is low. It will tell a notification next to where the next station is there to charge the battery, ma'am.
Yes. So it is inbuilt.
Yes, ma'am. Inbuilt, ma'am.
Inbuilt. And
Yes,
what about the time management you are telling now?
yes, ma'am.
What is time management and all? How
Ma'am,
it is related to?
ma'am, time management means if a particular time, if it takes battery takes to 2 to 3 hours to charge, then ma'am, in our
Mm.
system in the time management within half an hour to 1 hour the battery will charge us, ma'am. It can take when compared to another vehicles from like petrol, diesels and all, when we compare this vehicle, means it is eco-friendly vehicle, ma'am. We can use anywhere where we want, ma'am, and noise pollution less, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So good idea. Along with that, you can add what sir said, Subbarayadu sir said. So that is solar energy. That also you can add.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Yes, ma'am. So
Thank
any
you.
questions? Any questions from students, sir, ma'am?
Tambi,
Yes, sir.
actually, yeah, your idea is good.
Thank
And
you.
my suggestion, generally, when vehicles are moving over the road, no,
Okay, sir.
so unfortunately, unexpected accidents will happen. It means
Okay.
that not physical damage.
Okay, sir.
In same vehicle, maybe due to some equipment loose or something
Mm,
else.
mm,
If you predict it before itself,
mm.
then we can avoid such accidents
Yes, sir.
or traffic related issues.
Ah.
You can add this point. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure, sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the idea, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Any others are left for presentation
No, ma'am.
from
Yeah, fine.
final years?
Fine, yes, that's all, ma'am. Our
That's
team,
all.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So thank you for all joining the session.
Thank.
Thank you all for the students for presenting your ideas. Okay. And still you have to improve the part that is market strategy and how much cost it will take. So that points you can add for overall thing I am telling. Okay. So if you add those points, still it will be improved.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you all for joining the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.